Hi everyone, it's Gail. I have a little bonus video today. I had promised a little tour of my cleaned up desk area. And so, yeah, I'm just going to show you what's been rearranged and how I have it now. So, first thing is my little Hoosier there. It needed some help. There's actually more to do in it, but up top there I have some in that in this suitcase. That's all my bunny stuff, and then I have just some coffee dyed things and ribbons and things in that red thing, and then those letters I have coffee dyed things that I can grab to use, bigger ones, you know. I cleaned up my area a little bit. Those are all my idea books. And there's ideas in this little 70s looking thing. And in that little basket, there's colored dyed things that my friend gave me. And then there's some more ideas in there. These are my die cuts right there in that basket. And over here I have my scrap bin for strip scraps to be stamped on, and then that's how I keep track of my time right there on my videos. And then some black and walnut stain distress ink, and then let me open this. I did kind of rearrange that a bit. This little bin, it's a Kelly Ray Roberts. It's kind of almost like a silverware tray, but I have lots of coffee dyed stuff in there. So that's new because I moved that from the top of my desk. And what I removed is all my punches. So now I have my punches right there where I can grab them easily mid-video if I need to. So did that. And then, so here's where I film. You can see my arm there. This is where I film my journal videos. So let's see what here. Well, I have this little shelf. It is from TJ Maxx, I believe. It's supposed to be, I think, in a bathroom is the idea. It's bamboo or something, but I haven't changed much there. There's just all the stuff that I need to grab as I'm going along. My most used circle punches, my vintage photo, my crocodiles, paper punches, that sort of thing. In the back there, that's all my rusty things. And then, well, there's my water bottle. You're getting a close up of that. The little bowl on the left is bits. The next bowl is my distress tools and paper clips. This one, which I haven't really used too much, even though it's right there, is paper labels and stuff. So I just need to remember what's in there. I have my note to remind me of my little bits of lace. I don't know why I have trouble remembering the hashtag on that one. This is, of course, my scissors right there, but then this is handmade washi tape. So then I have this little piece. Again, it's from TJ Maxx. I think it's supposed to be for a bathroom, but it has all of my pouches in it that have labels and whale tails and stuff. And then easy to grab little bases that are coffee dyed. So then I've got those acrylic drawers, and those used to be right by me, but I switched out this shelf because I just kind of wanted more room, and I don't get in the acrylic shelves like all the time. So down below we've got, this is all my Kathy Holden paper stuff. Down here we have brads and bulb pins and ribbon crimps and such. Really all I have in this little thing right now is some washi tape, and we'll see what that ends up being. This is some lace that I have on vintage spools. And then up here, I used to have random washi tape in there, and I did go through and I really purged my washi tape. So now it's got, oops, in this one, it's got let's see, glossy accents and crystal nouveau drops. This one has stickles. I think this one has stickles, yes. And then this one has liquid pearls. This one just random staples and alcohol swabs. And then this one has like magnets and let's see, magnets and what else? Extra brads and such. Okay, then up here is my book that I just am filling up as I get the fussy cutting done. These are labels from the Junk Journal Studio, and the vertical labels. And so, yeah, so I'm just filling that up as I go, but I think it'll be handy to have those right by my desk. This little drawer has all sorts of Tracy Fox labels and tags and things like that in there. These are pretty much the same. And I have gotten these at Target, and I've gotten these ones with this, I got on Amazon. These I think I got at Target, and they're awesome because they have 3 little separators, and so they're great for washi tape. There's my basket of strings and such. Yeah, and then oh, I've just got all sorts of things in here. Stamps, and there's one drawer of cheesecloth. My binder clips are in there, extra thread. Over here, there's a lot of different laces. My padded hearts are in there, that sort of thing. And then this is where the shelf used to be, and I have changed things around to where I have, like, those are my full page pockets. This is all my pre-made ephemera here. So yeah, you can tell I went through a lot of stuff because I have a lot of empty bins. Those are my distress inks and distress oxides. So then as far as pre-made ephemera, on the left there is those are pockets. And then I've got some little notepad things in that black bin. On the left, that's all my pre-made ephemera that is categorized by, you know, envelopes, journal cards, that sort of thing. These are all my pre-made pages, pre-made tags, and then I have floral stamps, I have rub-ons, I have stickers, and I have stamps. And then this pile, oh goodness, is all my bee stuff that I'm working on currently. Okay, I'm going to swing around here. We'll go under the desk in a second. I have my carts at the top there. That is all labels. This book is stamps, that sort of thing. The next shelf is pre-made fabric flips and that sort of thing. What is in this book? I forget always. Let's look. We'll find out together. Oh yeah, it's like all the labels and stamps and stuff from that people sent me when I was getting Happy Mail, which when you look at that book, you can see why I stopped accepting Happy Mail. Down here we have some fabrics and some lace in that drawer. Then over here we've got my fun little bins or whatever you would call them, and I have them by designer because I like to try and acknowledge everyone as I go. Down on the second shelf there's tickets on the right, there's buttons in the back, and some big flowers and things are in this one. Down here I have little things in the red box, and the tin box is, what is in the tin box? This tin box, isn't it fabulous? It was my grandma's. Oh, it's got like fabric labels, if you will, or stamped fabric, I guess would be a better way to put it. Okay, I don't know what all those scribbles are. I did not do that. That was from when it was my grandma's. Okay, excuse the ins and outs. I'm probably making you seasick. Okay, so then, let me move my chair back. So then this thing, also a TJ Maxx find that I think is meant to be in bathrooms, but I put my little plastic bins. The top one is stuff like flowers and butterflies and bunnies and mushrooms and such. Then I have labels down here. And then down in the bottom is some more coffee dyed bases should I need to just grab something. Let's see. And then, so I'm kind of, on this side, I'm kind of too deep. So I have the cards, and then I have like a card table behind. This, I have shown this before. This is all of my cool papers, like Italian pages and stuff like that. No, that's not what this is. Sorry, that's what that is over there. We'll get to that. So this is plant book pages. This is, what is this? Just random book pages. These are my 1600 papers from Rachel. This is all Florentine paper. Then I have some other categories behind. What do I have here? Oh, I've got some cardstock, just easy to grab. Music, piano roll, acetate, and graph paper. Here are some ledger papers, and these are just dyed backing papers. This is a roll of Florentine paper that I got from Etsy. This one is my bin that is all book pages, small, medium, and large, Italian written documents, forms, that sort of thing. Okay, and then down here behind me, do you see the blue right there? There's two blue ones. Those are all my TAPEROLOGY stuff. And next to them here are all my Tim Holtz papers. And then those are books that I take pages out of. And on top of those books is book page scraps. These books, one's a hymnal and the other one is from an old book that I'm going to use the cover. Those bins are all of my scraps. So this one, the blue one, kind of got my cardstock on top of it. The blue one is small scraps. The green one is larger scraps, both decorative. Then the orange and yellow, small and large backing papers, coffee dyed papers, that sort of thing. And the pink is some extra clusters. Okay, and then we've got two thick here as well. So I have my little bookshelf here. Those are my cluster books. All my sticker books live on this shelf. And these are my bookbinding tools. This drawer has This drawer has like coffee dyed fabrics and stuff in it. This drawer has mostly regular fabrics that are printed for layering, that stuff. Okay, the second shelf is, all these are Tim Holtz, people. These are all Tim Holtz bits to decorate with. I have my two little pouches that are have all sorts of butterflies and stuff. I recently used one in a Forgotten Friends Friday video. And then that black bag has 7 Gypsy stuff. Lace on the bottom shelf. And then up and over on another little table, those are my to-do boxes. Scary, right? And then there where Ringo Starr is pointing at you on the AARP magazines, those are collage pages and stuff. Okay, and then here, these 2 bins have digitals in them that are good for collage, for an extra page, whatever. They're not like full kits that I'm gonna make a journal out of. They're just the extras, if you will. Then I've got my baby wipes and Kleenex, and then a basket full of coffee dyed cardstock and coffee dyed paper. And then I moved things. I used to have this wonderful cart. I love this cart so much. Hi, Julie. My pal Julie gave me this cart at one of my retreats. And I used to have it over here, like in that area, but I felt so crowded. It wasn't working for me. So I put it here. And on the bottom there are rice papers and dictionary pages. The next shelf has Mamagami on the right and embossed papers on the left. And then this top, these 2 bins are extra ephemera from kits that I've used and want to be able to have them handy so I can grab them and use them. And then back over here, this was where the ephemera was. Back over here, all of that, the light green tote on the bottom is fall, and the rest of that is Christmas, except this bag right here. That's what I'm working out of. Those are all my bee journal kits right now. And so then I have these drawers. These are, I was gonna say IKEA, but I'm not sure what these are. This is just random kind of office-y stuff. I've got some stamps in there. Sorry, I have to get this is all sewing stuff, pins and extra rotary blades and such. This one is collage papers. And that's a new setup. I used to have them on that other cart. And these are the fabrics that I use to put under my journals when I am putting them on Etsy. And then just over here on the floor, I have my cutters and my scoreboards. So I think that is about it. You can see, look at the frost on my window. Yeah, we got 6 inches of snow. It's 21 below with a wind chill of 40 below. So isn't that lovely? That's why I'm in my craft room. So I hope that helps you. Maybe it'll help you with some organization. I will say on this side of my Hoosier, I have a bunch more lace, and separately, and I may have done it by the time I air this, but I'm going to do a lace organization video for my little bits of lace challenge. So there you have it. That's where I spend almost all of my days. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a grateful day, and be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.